Hey there, awesome viewers. It's almost Father's Day, and you know what that means. Time to celebrate the guy who taught us how to ride a bike, tie our shoes, and tell a killer dad joke. What if I told you the secret to the ultimate Father's Day celebration is just 15 simple steps? Yeah, you heard that right. 15. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know what they are, but you'll have a trick up your sleeve to make Dad's Day unforgettable. We're talking legendary status, folks. Think of this as your cheat sheet to becoming Dad's favorite. For at least a week, let's be real. So, grab your notepad, put on your thinking caps, and let's dive into 15 quirky ways to make this Father's Day one for the books.
Alright, first up let's talk food, because let's be honest, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, right? This Father's Day, ditch the takeout menus and channel your inner Gordon Ramsay. Okay, maybe not full-on Ramsay, but you get the idea. We're going to whip up Dad's favorite meal from scratch. Think about it. What does Dad absolutely devour every time it's on the table? Is it his grandma's secret lasagna recipe? Maybe it's a juicy burger with all the fixings. Or perhaps it's something simple, like a perfectly cooked steak and mashed potatoes. Whatever it is, make it with love, people. Remember, cooking is just a fancy word for following instructions with edible ingredients. There are tons of easy-to-follow recipes online. You can even get the whole family involved and turn it into a fun pre-Father's Day bonding activity. Trust me, the look on Dad's face when he sees and smells his favorite meal prepared with love? Priceless! It's like saying I love you with food, and without it, well, you're just left with takeout.
Next up, we're tapping into Dad's competitive spirit with a family game night extravaganza. Clear the living room, gather your board games, dust off those controllers, and get ready for an epic showdown. Think of it as Dad's very own Olympics, complete with bragging rights and maybe even a homemade trophy. Extra points for creativity. Now, when I say games, I'm talking about the classics. Monopoly, Scrabble, Clue, Pictionary, you name it. If it involves strategy, laughter, and maybe a little bit of trash talk, it's game on. Get everyone involved, from the youngest to the oldest. Even Grandma can join in on the fun. She's probably a card shark, trust me. The key here is to create a fun, relaxed atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable letting loose and embracing their competitive side. Remember, it's not about winning. Okay, maybe it's a little about winning. It's about spending quality time together and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And hey, if you want to up the ante, how about some silly prizes for the winners and losers? We're talking ridiculous hats, goofy trophies. The possibilities are endless. The point is to have fun, let loose, and create some unforgettable Father's Day memories.
Okay, let's be real. Dads can be notoriously difficult to shop for. Another tie? Another world's best dad mug? Come on, people, we can do better. This year, we're ditching the generic gifts and embracing the power of DIY. Because nothing says I love you, Dad, like a homemade gift crafted with love, sweat, and maybe a few accidental glue gun burns. Now, before you panic and say, but I'm not crafty, hear me out. DIY doesn't have to be complicated or Pinterest-worthy. It's all about putting your heart into it and creating something unique that Dad will cherish. Think about his interests and hobbies. Is he a coffee aficionado? Make him a personalized coffee blend or decorate a plain mug with his initials. Is he a grill master? Create a custom spice rub or a funny apron that says Grill Sergeant. The possibilities are endless. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even get the kids involved. Handmade cards, painted picture frames, even a simple coupon book for things like breakfast in bed or a back rub can mean the world to a dad. Remember, it's the thought that counts.
Alright, adventure seekers, this one's for you. This Father's Day, we're taking Dad on an outdoor adventure that would make even Indiana Jones proud. Minus the snakes, hopefully. It's time to ditch the couch, soak up some vitamin D, and create some unforgettable memories in the great outdoors. Now, when I say adventure, I'm not talking about climbing Mount Everest here. Unless your dad's into that sort of thing, then by all means go for it. It could be as simple as a hike in a local park, a bike ride through scenic trails, or even a camping trip under the stars. The key is to choose an activity that Dad enjoys and that allows you to spend quality time together in a relaxed, fun environment. Pack a picnic basket filled with his favourite snacks. Bring along a frisbee or a football for some impromptu playtime, and don't forget the sunscreen. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So put on your adventure hats, grab your sense of humour, and get ready to create some epic Father's Day memories.
This one is for all the movie buff dads out there. This Father's Day, we're ditching the usual dinner and a movie routine and taking it up a notch with an epic movie marathon dedicated to Dad's all-time favorite films. Think of it as a cinematic journey through Dad's favorite genres, actors, and iconic movie moments. We're talking back-to-back screenings of his go-to action flicks, side-splitting comedies, or those classic tear-jerkers that always get him a little misty-eyed. We won't judge. But wait, there's more. To make this movie marathon truly unforgettable, we're adding a few special touches. Dim the lights, hang up some movie posters, and maybe even invest in a popcorn machine for that authentic cinema experience. Don't forget the snacks. Pizza, nachos, candy, the works. Remember, it's all about creating a fun, relaxed atmosphere where Dad can kick back, relax, and enjoy some quality time with his favorite people. That's you! So grab your blankets, pick your poison, and get ready for a movie marathon that'll be talked about for years to come.
All right, gearheads and clean freaks, this one's for you. This Father's Day, we're ditching the automatic car wash and giving Dad's ride the royal treatment with a DIY car wash experience that's as fun as it is functional. Now, before you start picturing buckets of soapy water and soggy sponges, hold on. We're going to make this car wash an event to remember. Crank up the music, break out the water guns, for accidental soakings of course, and get ready to transform that dusty chariot into a sparkling masterpiece. Get the whole family involved. Assign roles like head sudser, wheel wizard, or interior detailer. Make it a competition to see who can create the shiniest finish, or who can find the most hidden treasures under the seats. Hopefully just loose change. And hey, while you're at it, why not give Dad's car a little extra love? Pick up some air fresheners in his favourite scents, treat the dashboard to a good dusting, and maybe even surprise him with a new car air freshener or a funny bumper sticker.
In this digital age of texts, emails, and emojis, there's something truly special about receiving a handwritten letter. This Father's Day, we're slowing things down and embracing the lost art of letter writing to create a heartfelt keepsake that Dad will cherish for years to come. Now, before you start stressing about your penmanship or coming up with Shakespearean-level prose, relax. This isn't about writing the perfect letter, it's about expressing your love, gratitude, and appreciation for everything your dad means to you. Think about all the reasons why your dad is so special. What are some of your favorite memories together? What are some of his qualities that you admire most? What are some of the life lessons he's taught you that you'll never forget? Pour your heart out on paper. Don't hold back. Let him know how much he means to you and how much you appreciate everything he's done for you. Trust me, a handwritten letter is a gift that he'll treasure long after the Father's Day festivities are over.
In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant barrage of notifications, emails, and social media updates. This Father's Day, we're hitting the pause button on technology and embracing the lost art of face-to-face interaction with a tech-free day that's all about disconnecting to reconnect. Now, before you panic and start twitching for your phone, hear me out. This isn't about going completely off the grid. Unless you want to, then by all means embrace the digital detox. It's about being present in the moment and giving Dad your undivided attention. Put away your phones, turn off the TV, and resist the urge to check your email every 5 minutes. Instead, engage in meaningful conversations, play board games, go for a walk, or simply relax and enjoy each other's company without the distractions of the digital world. There's something inherently calming and meditative about casting a line, waiting patiently for a bite, and enjoying the peace and quiet of nature. This Father's Day, we're tapping into that tranquility with a classic fishing trip that's as much about bonding as it is about reeling in the big one. Now, whether you're a seasoned angler or a complete novice, fishing is an activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. Head to a local lake, river, or pier Pack a cooler full of snacks and drinks and get ready to cast your worries away. But fishing is more than just catching fish, although that's always a bonus. It's a chance to slow down, appreciate the simple things in life, and create lasting memories with loved ones.
There's nothing quite like the electric atmosphere of a live sporting event. The roar of the crowd, the thrill of the game, the shared camaraderie of cheering for your favorite team. It's an experience that's hard to replicate. This Father's Day, we're tapping into that excitement with a trip to a live sporting event that's sure to get Dad's adrenaline pumping. Now, whether your dad is a diehard fan of baseball, basketball, football, soccer, or any other sport, there's bound to be a game happening near you that'll get his blood pumping. Check out local team schedules, browse for tickets online, and get ready to experience the thrill of victory or the agony of defeat together. But it's not just about the game itself. It's about the shared experience, the pre-game rituals, the post-game analysis, and the memories that you'll create together.
Learning doesn't have to stop at school. This Father's Day, why not embark on a learning adventure with Dad that's both educational and entertaining? It's a chance to explore new interests, bond over shared discoveries, and create lasting memories while expanding your horizons together. Now, when I say learning adventure, I'm not talking about boring lectures or stuffy classrooms. Think outside the box. Visit a museum, attend a workshop, take a cooking class, explore a botanical garden, or even try your hand at a new sport or hobby together. The key is to choose an activity that sparks both of your interests and allows you to learn something new while spending quality time together.
In this digital age, it's easy to let precious photos get lost in the abyss of our smartphones and hard drives. This Father's Day, let's take a nostalgic trip down memory lane and create a tangible keepsake of cherished moments with a personalized photo album for Dad. Gather your favorite photos of Dad from his childhood to fatherhood and get creative. Print them out in various sizes, choose a theme or color scheme and arrange them chronologically or by special events. Add handwritten captions, funny anecdotes or inside jokes to make the album even more personal and meaningful. You can even include ticket stubs, postcards or other mementos that evoke special memories.
Fire up the grill and get ready for some backyard fun. This Father's Day, we're celebrating Dad with the quintessential summertime tradition, a BBQ bash that's all about good food, good company and good times. Invite family and friends, crank up the music and create a festive atmosphere with decorations, lawn games and maybe even a DIY photo booth. Delegate tasks to share the workload and ensure everyone gets in on the fun. But the heart of any good BBQ is the food. Grill up juicy burgers, hot dogs, veggie skewers and all the classic sides. Don't forget Dad's favourite beverages and a selection of sweet treats to satisfy everyone's sweet tooth.
Music has a unique ability to transport us back in time, evoke emotions, and bring people together. This Father's Day, let's create a soundtrack of memories with a musical celebration dedicated to Dad's favorite tunes. Create a playlist of his all-time favorite songs, from classic rock anthems to soulful ballads to cheesy pop hits that make him want to bust a move. Set the mood with speakers, dim lighting, and maybe even a disco ball for added flair. Encourage everyone to get up and dance. Share stories behind the songs, reminisce about concerts you've attended together, or simply enjoy the shared love of music.
In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to forget the most precious gift of all, time. This Father's Day, let's prioritize quality time with Dad and make him feel truly appreciated and loved. Put aside distractions, clear your schedule, and dedicate the day to simply being present. Engage in meaningful conversations, reminisce about shared memories, or simply relax and enjoy each other's company. Offer to help with chores, run errands, or simply lend an ear. Sometimes the most meaningful gestures are the simplest acts of service and companionship. Remember, the greatest gift you can give your dad is your time and attention. Make him feel valued, appreciated, and loved.
So there you have it, 15 ways to make Father's Day unforgettable. Master these and you're on your way to being Dad's favorite. or at least fewer dad jokes as payback. Remember, it's not about the gifts or the grand gestures, it's about showing your dad how much you care and appreciate everything he does. And now, as promised, here's the secret trick. End every interaction with a positive note. Here's how: share a funny story or joke, express appreciation, set a positive expectation, active listening follow-up. Trust me, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more hilarious yet insightful tips on celebrating life's special moments. And hey, remember, every great Father's Day starts with a smile and a little bit of laughter. Spread the love and share this video. If you like the tips and the message, please subscribe. It's the only thing I ask.